Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250. This van came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the van to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Everything here looks fine. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. The hood is in great condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. Paint chips. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. Let's move on to the quarter panel wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the van. I'm not seeing any scratches on the trunk. I do see a chip right on the corner right here. The back bumper looks fine. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The back door does have a scratch right here, and another one right here. Everything else is spotless. Let's have a look at the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this van is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any worn out buttons at all. No scratches. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this van is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.